Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another exciting episode of our podcast, Cryoto's Maintenance Management. I'm your host, Gopi, and today we have a special guest joining us, May, a maintenance management and IoT expert. Today we'll be discussing an important topic, from reactive to proactive, transforming your maintenance strategy with CMM software. Welcome, May.
Thank you, Gopi. It's a pleasure to be here and discuss this vital topic.
May, let's dive right in. Many organizations still follow a reactive approach to maintenance, waiting for equipment to fail before taking action. How can implementing CMM software help shift this reactive mindset to a more proactive one?
Absolutely, Gopi. CMMS software plays a crucial role in transforming maintenance strategies from reactive to proactive. By implementing CMMS, organizations can centralize their maintenance operations, automate processes, and gain real-time insights into asset performance. With this data-driven approach, maintenance teams can transition from a firefighting mode to a proactive one.
That's interesting, May. Could you elaborate on how CMMS software enables proactive maintenance?
Certainly, Gopi. CMMS software provides a comprehensive platform for managing work orders, preventive maintenance schedules, and asset history. With this information readily available, maintenance teams can schedule preventive tasks based on equipment usage, manufacturer recommendations, or condition-based monitoring. By proactively addressing potential issues, organizations can reduce unplanned downtime, optimize asset lifespan, and avoid costly repairs.
That sounds like a significant shift in approach. But how does IoT come into play in this context?
IoT integration with CMMS software takes proactive maintenance to the next level. By connecting sensors and devices to assets, organizations can collect real-time data on performance, energy consumption, vibration, temperature, and more. This continuous stream of data enables predictive maintenance, where algorithms analyze patterns, detect anomalies, and generate alerts for potential failures. IoT empowers maintenance teams to intervene before a breakdown occurs, optimizing asset performance and minimizing downtime.
Fascinating, May. So, for organizations considering this transformation, what are some key benefits they can expect from implementing CMM software and embracing a proactive maintenance approach?
Gopi, the benefits are numerous. Firstly, organizations can reduce maintenance costs by avoiding major breakdowns and optimizing resource allocation. Secondly, equipment uptime improves, leading to increased productivity and customer satisfaction. Thirdly, a proactive maintenance strategy ensures a safer work environment, as potential hazards are identified and addressed before accidents occur. Lastly, the data collected by CMMS software provides valuable insights for decision-making, enabling organizations to optimize asset performance and plan for the future effectively.
Those benefits are undoubtedly compelling. Before we wrap up, May, could you share any best practices or tips for organizations embarking on this transformation journey?
Absolutely, Gopi. Firstly, it's crucial to assess your organization's maintenance needs and goals before selecting a CMMS software solution. Identify key performance indicators, understand your asset hierarchy, and determine the data you need to collect for predictive maintenance. Secondly, involve your maintenance team in the process and provide them with the necessary training to effectively utilize the software. Lastly, start with a pilot project to test the system and gradually expand its implementation across the organization.
Excellent advice, May. Thank you for sharing your expertise and insights on transforming maintenance strategies with CMMS software. It's been a pleasure having you on our podcast.
Thank you, Gopi. It was my pleasure to be here and discuss this important topic. I hope our conversation helps organizations embrace proactive maintenance and unlock the benefits of CMMS software.
And that brings us to the end of another enlightening episode. Thank you, listeners, for tuning in. We hope you found this discussion valuable in understanding the power of CMMS software in shifting from reactive to proactive maintenance. Join us next time for more engaging conversations on the future of maintenance. Until then, stay proactive and keep optimizing your maintenance strategies.